Hey everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you how to seamlessly add a photo into your video using CapCut. Let's jump right in. First, open the CapCut app on your device. Tap on Edit and then select New Project. Choose the video you want to edit from your gallery. Once your video is loaded, tap on ADD at the bottom of the screen. Look for the Overlay option and tap on ADD Overlay. Now select the photo you want to add to your video from your device gallery and tap ADD. Great! Now you can resize and reposition the photo to suit your preference. You can also adjust how long the photo appears in the video. Another method to add a photo is by inserting it between video clips. Simply move to the part of the video where you want to insert the photo. Tap on the video layer and at the bottom select Split. This will split your video into 2 segments. Next, tap on the plus sign and select the photo you want to insert. Tap ADD to confirm. To make the transition smoother, add a transition effect between the video clips. Tap on the transition button. Choose an effect that complements your video and adjust its duration if needed. Tap the check button to apply. And there you have it. That's how you effortlessly add a photo to your video in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel for more tips and tricks on video editing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.